Let's continue it. Let's continue Linux for AWS Data Engineering. In this, let's continue Linux or UNIX Introduction. Linux or UNIX Introduction. So first important point, Linux or Unix is a operating systems. What are operating systems? Operating system is an interface between user, user or applications between hardware. It is an interface between hardware and user or application. Let me explain diagrammatically. Let's say in Linux, we have two important components. Two important components, cell and kernel. Kernel. And these are hardwares. Let's say RAM, CPU, hard disk, etc. So to interact with these these hardware components, they developed they developed kernel 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 in Unix or Linux operating system. They developed kernel going to communicate with these hardware systems. For user or application, they give a cell. They give a cell. In cell, they are going to write commands. They are going to execute programs. They are going to write commands or execute programs. So through the cell, they are going to write commands. Let's say clear screen, clear screen, mkdir, mkdir, cd x directory. So like this, we give different commands through the cell. Cell going to convert this human readable format commands to kernel understandable format. Then kernel is responsible to communicate with this hardware, and based on this inputs, it is going to execute corresponding action. It is going to execute corresponding action type. So is cell is a interface between either user or application between uh, kernel, user or application between kernel. It will take input from user or application and converts into kernel understandable format. Then kernel is responsible to execute corresponding action by interacting corresponding hardware system. Okay, so this is Linux or Unix operating system. Linux or Unix operating system. Uh, in that we have two important components, cell or kernel type. Cell or kernel. So first let's understand history or evolution of Unix and Linux operating system. First, initially, Unix operating system was implemented using C programming language in 1973. First Unix operating system in C language, C language developed by two people, Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie. Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie is a father of C language, and Thompson is developed before this. He developed one more operating system called UNICS Unix. UNICS called Unix. So he developed one product Unix, and based on this Unix, again they implemented one more product called Unix with C programming language. With C programming language. So This Unix operating system developed by two people. One is Ken Thompson. He already developed Unix. Another person is Dennis. He developed a programming language called C, and they both combinedly developed UNIX Unix using C programming language. Here, here they make this Unix operating system as a free and open source tool. Based on this, based on this free and open source systems, plenty of operating systems developed like uh, Sun Solaris, the most powerful operating system called Sun Solaris. It is acquired by Oracle. No, we are seeing Oracle Sun Solaris. Sorry, Oracle Solaris. Sun sold their products to Oracle. Now Solaris is a product of Oracle. Then, like Solaris, now IBM AX, HP UX, plenty of Unix operating systems. Solaris, AX, UX, etc. Along with this one, there is one more operating system was developed is Linux. Linux. Linux also developed based on this Unix free operating system or open source. And who developed this Linux operating system is Linus Torvalds in 1991. Linus Torvalds developed this Linux operating system in 1991, and they make this one also free and open source. And based on this free and open source, 600 plus operating systems were invented. In that, 300 plus operating systems are uh, active, like Red Hat Linux, Debian Linux, Fedora Linux, CentOS, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Amazon Linux, plenty of operating systems developed based on this free and open source operating system. In that, in the all, I said 300 plus active Linux operating systems available in the market, right? All these 300 operating systems follows two kinds of syntaxes: Red Hat based syntax or Debian based syntax. Red Hat based syntax or Debian based syntax. Example, if I want to install any software, here we use command called yum. Yum. Here we are going to use apt command. Apt command. Such kind of little difference, not all. The basic commands we are going to discuss here is works in, it may be Red Hat based, it may be Debian based. It will work in both the both supported operating systems. Clear, right? What is Linux or Unix?